Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So you are going to watch this video once the internship season is over in your campus. Okay, the companies has visited the campus, you have got the internship offer or you did not get the internship offer. Okay, companies has visited your campus already. But if you are someone who is preparing for internships, companies will visit the campus, they will take the online assessment or you need to prepare for the interviews. If all the process is remaining, no, then do not watch this video. Okay. Sir, why you are already making this video? You are making this video in the July month only, but in the most of the colleges, the procedure will start from August onwards. Because I already know that I will be receiving a lot of messages that sir, I got the internship offer, what to do now? Also, I will receive the messages that sir, I did not get the internship offer, what to do now? Okay, so for both of those guys, I am making the video. So first of all, let's talk to those people who did not get the internship offer. I know that you guys have studied well. If you are someone who did not study well, if you know that sir, I just prepared for 1-2 months only. So with the preparation of 1-2 months in a very high competition, you cannot expect that you will be getting a very good internship. That's the bottom line, right? But if you are someone, sir, I was preparing from 4th semester onwards, sir, it was a 6 months of preparation. I did really well. I completed all the syllabus, network, analog, digital, sir, everything I studied. And sir, the interview got messed up. Or even if, sir, I gave interview really well, but still they did not select me. So what to do now, sir? I feel hopeless. This will happen with a lot of students, no? Because I guess 20 people will prepare for, 25 people in your batch would prepare for internships in a good manner. But 5 to 6 people will get it. That's the bottom line. So what about those 19 to 20 people? So let's talk to those students. Look, it is just an internship offer. You are currently in 3rd year only. Your 5th semester just got started. You have full placements left with you, right? You have 1 full year left with you. You have 2 gate attempts as well in your BTech only. 1 attempt will be after 6 to 7 months, and after that, 1 more attempt would be there in 4th year. You have everything left. Okay, you are just crying over one particular thing, just over one interview that did not go in your way. So it is not worth it. Okay, after 5 years, you will look back and you will think that, sir, what I was crying on. I'm telling you. I have seen a lot of like best possible students getting rejected in internship offer. So you are crying over the wrong thing, that I can tell you. What we need to do now, take a break of 1 week, okay, and then again get started. We need to get started again. Now, if you are someone, sir, I only prepared for analog role, I want to go in the analog field only. So that is wrong. Yes, you want to get into analog field, we will do the work of analog. Eventually, sir, I want to settle in the analog field, that is absolutely fine. But you need to prepare for digital as well. This is something that I am telling to all the students again and again. When you prepare for placements, no, you prepare for analog roles as well, you prepare for digital roles as well. Now, it might happen that, sir, I did not get analog opportunity, I got digital opportunity. So get into the industry, no? Get the digital opportunity, get into the industry, do work, and then there you try to switch, and it will happen. Don't worry. If you get into a good company, no, they will consider it that your interest is towards analog, then they can give you the work of analog as well. But I always say, if you prepare for both of the domains. And now you are watching this video being in a 3rd year, that means you are having the time, no? You are having the time to prepare for digital as well. So this time for the placements, we will prepare for analog as well, and we will prepare for digital as well. Let's just say you have prepared for only one domain, then you are already done with the preparation of analog, you will do digital. Along with that, you will revise analog. Okay, so for both of the domains, we will prepare. Secondly, a lot of people will not agree, but if you are someone who follows me, prepare for GATE examination. I'm not saying just for my subscription or anything, or just because you will come into the course. You study from YouTube, but prepare for GATE examination as well. Always, it is good to have a backup. No matter, sir, in the best possible manner, I prepared, sir. Network, analog, digital also, sir, I studied. Verilog, CMOS, STA, analog IC design also I studied, sir. Still, it might happen in the worst case, you did not get a placement offer. Okay, worst case we are taking, no? In the next year, let's just say you did not get a placement offer. So what? Then what will you do? So always it is good to have a backup, no? When you are preparing for placement, you will study network in a good manner. You will study analog in a good manner. You will study aptitude. You will study digital in a good manner. Somewhat control system also you will study, and somewhat signal system also you will study. When you prepare for placements, I would say signal system, at least continuous part, you should study comprehensively. That will give you a huge advantage. If some person from data converters or ADC/DAC team would come, no, then he would ask good questions on signal systems. And you ask your fellow batchmates or you ask your seniors, they would have been surely asked some question on signal system as well. And control system also we study. So major of the subjects you are already studying, no? Right? Let's just take, if you are someone from EC or if you are someone from electrical, then most probably you are going to write down GATE in EC as well. So you will study EDC as well. Right? If you study EDC, then your device physics will be very good, and that will be helpful in analog, although it is not required. EDC is specifically not required, but that device physics will be helpful in analog interviews as well and digital interviews as well. So you are having more than enough time. I am saying that you study well. This is something that I am telling. And if you study well in signal system, then you will not struggle in communication system. After that, only EMFT is left, which is an independent subject. So that we can do later on. So what I am saying is that prepare well in a manner you prepare that you are prepared for gate examination as well. It's not that I'm saying that you get under 100 rank, under 50 rank. These are something that we are not targeting, but let's try under 400 rank, under 300 rank, so that we can get into IITs. Or let's just say, sir, I prepare well for gate examination, then that knowledge, let's just say you are already from tier 1 or tier 2 college. Let's just say you are from NITs. So through CFTI criteria, you can apply in the IITs for masters, right? Through CFTI criteria. So let's just say you apply through CFTI criteria, then there will be interview, no? You have to appear for interview. So there this knowledge will be helpful. So eventually I am telling that if you prepare for gate examination, no, it is not going to be wasted. It will be helpful everywhere. As a backup plan, as a interview, it will helpful in the interview when you prepare for placements. When you appear for placements, then there also it will be helpful. Along with that, if you think of masters through CFTI, CGPA, there also in the interviews it will be helpful. So everywhere it is going to be helpful. Okay, so I would say yes, preparation for placements, that is our priority, but you prepare well for gate examination as well as the second priority. Keep it as a backup. So this is something that I would recommend. Okay, so do not cry over the things which are gone. It happens. Whatever that has happened, that is gone now. Okay, let's just say 25 people prepared, no, in your batch 25 people prepared for internships. 5 people got it, 20 people did not get it. Out of those 20, no, 16 people will keep on crying. Out of those 20, 16 will keep on crying that this happened, that happened. They will not do anything now. And yes, crying may make you feel good for some time, but eventually in the longer run, it doesn't get any results. I know this is the motivation, these are the words you don't want to hear as of now, but it is what it is. So if you keep on crying, eventually in the longer run, you are not going to get the results. For getting the results in the longer run, you need to put up the hard work again. Okay. So take the break of 7 days. You feel like that, sir, I don't want to touch the notes. I don't even want to see your face again, because again, you are going to see my face, right? So I don't want to see your face again, sir. 7 days you take a break, then again come back, again you will have to see my face. Okay. So let's take a separation of 7 days and then we will meet again. Okay. But yeah, we have to put up the hard work. There is no other way we have, right? If you think of switching the domain, sir, I don't want to get into this field now. If you are this much frustrated, then there is a problem, right? We don't get frustrated like that. We are VLSI engineers. We don't get frustrated very easily. Our field is already very complex. So don't get this much frustrated that, sir, I want to change the field only now, sir. I will not even study EC. I will study coding. I will do software development, this or that. So it's your decision although, but I would recommend don't get this much frustrated over a result of internship only. It was just a first phase of your life, and it was not even a failure as well. If you are feeling like a failure, then it is not a failure, bro. Okay. Internships, placements, they highly depend on luck as well, and your 6 months of preparation comes down to only 1 or 2 interview question. If you mess up 1 or 2 interview question, it is gone. And let me tell you one thing, if you are late in your interview, no, let's just say there are 7 guys in the interview panel. One interviewer is taking the interview of 7 guys. And let's just say you are 5th person or 6th person. Then there is already very rare chances that you are going to get selected. Already very rare chances. Because the interviewer would be coming, he needs to select 1 or 2 person. Out of those 7 people, he needs to select 1 or 2 person. Let's just say out of 4, he has already selected 2. Then the 5th person, no matter how well interview he gives, no matter how well he performs, there are very high chances that he will be rejected. You might have fallen in this category. It happens. It has happened with a lot of people, and it happens as well. Okay. Who knows, your panel is filled with the best of the best people, right? So yeah, let's forget about whatever that has happened. Now, after 1 year, again the same company would come. Again, I will have the chance, and the next year I will grab it. This is the temperament that we need to have. Okay, so don't worry about anything else. Just prepare well, and the crude roadmap, a rough roadmap I have given you. And if you are someone who did not prepare well in a 1 month preparation or 2 months preparation you had, then you need to prepare well. Okay, so the same guidance that I gave to the students previously, that you prepare well, analog digital roles also prepare, along with that you prepare for GATE examination as well. The same guidance you can also follow. Now let's talk to those people who have got the internship offer. So sir, after 1 year, sir, I will be going for the internship, right? So sir, which language I should learn? Because sir, coding would be required there. Even if I am VLSI engineer, sir, coding might also be required. So sir, which language I should learn? So the language you should learn is Kannada. Okay, once you get into the Bangalore, then it will be required. So the bottom line is that you cannot prepare for internships, that what task they would be giving you, that you cannot prepare as of now. That's the bottom line. Your senior might have said that you do this course, that course, just because he worked on that particular field. No, which field you will be asked to work on, that you don't know. As of now, you don't know which work you might be getting. There in those 2 months, in 2.5 months, you need to study that and you need to deliver the output. That's the bottom line. But in this 1 year, then sir, what I need to do? First, you can also prepare for GATE examination. You are already having internship offer, then you are free from any kind of stress. So you can study your core subjects. Let me tell you one thing, when you work into the industry, you are selected as an analog engineer, right? I am selected as an analog engineer, sir. It doesn't mean that you do not have a knowledge of you do not have a knowledge of digital, or you do not have a knowledge of signals or control systems. Knowledge of every domain would be required there. Even the knowledge of EMFT can also be required. Are you able to understand this point? Okay. Otherwise, what they would have done? They would have just simply said that you need to prepare network and analog, and they would have asked a mechanical student to come. That you are from mechanical, no? Let's study analog and network, 2 subjects you can study, and you come to my company. They do not ask that, no? They don't even allow mechanical students to sit. Why they allow only EC electrical guys? Because whatever the other subject that you learn in your engineering, no, those subjects will also be used when you work into the industry. So I would say you prepare well for GATE examination. That will be as a backup for you. Along with that, you prepare for placements as well. Okay. Why is that so? You will be going into the internship for 2 months. Next year, for 2 months, when you will be having the vacations, at that time, in the summer vacations, you will be doing the internship. In those 2 months, you will not get any time. You will be involved in the internship work. Completely, you will be involved in the internship work, because new you will get into the industry. 2 months you have to learn as well, and you have to deliver as well. You will be having pressure. In that 2 months of time, your batchmates who did not get a good internship, they will do some rough internship, okay, from home only, and they will be preparing very well for placements. Now, who knows, sir, I got the best possible outcome, sir. I delivered the work in the best possible manner, sir. My internship was very good. Still, they did not offer me PPO. There was no vacancy. Something has happened. In the worst case, if you did not get the PPO, in 2 months you did not get any time. This 1 year you wasted. After that, just as you get into the campus, after 1 month only, or after 15 days only, the company will again visit the campus. Now, how you can prepare for placements in 15 days? There you will be panicking, and I have seen this situation with a lot of students. So in this 1 year, no, you prepare well for placements, you study for your GATE examination as well. If you want to learn some coding stuffs as well, no, then that also you can learn. Sir, I want to learn Python, I want to learn C. So some programming language also you can learn. Okay. My priority would be that I would focus on our core courses. Okay. If you feel like that, sir, I want to study analog only, then you can do the analog IC design course by Nagendra sir, right? Or you can do the analog circuit course of Shanti Pawan sir. That is very advanced actually. The name is analog circuits, but he has given the idea of IC design as well. So those courses you can do. You can do courses by Champion sir, right? A lot of courses are there. Those courses you can do. Digital, if you want to study, then you can do digital IC design by Janaki Raman sir. Or you have studied digital circuits, right? When you prepare for placements or internship, no, you studied digital circuits there. You did not study digital IC design. IC design and digital circuits both are separate thing. Okay. So digital IC design you can study. So these courses you can study. I would say study signal systems as well, at least the continuous part. Control systems also you study, like frequency response part at least you study, right? And aptitude you would already study. EDC also you try to study, I would say. EDC also you study. Electronic devices. Complete course is available on our YouTube channel only. So you can study from me. Okay. So these courses you try to study, and it will surely help you in your gate preparation as well, along with that placement preparation as well. And then in the internship, you will do the work, whatever the work is assigned, that you will get to know once you get into the industry only, and then you will work there. And after that, it will be, we will see whether you get a PP or not, right? So yeah, that's the thing. And whatever the courses that I'm telling you to do, no, the knowledge of those courses will be surely helpful in the industry as well. I can show you the messages that, sir, I have studied that subject from you, and the knowledge of this course subjects are being helpful in my industry work as well, in my internship as well. So they will be also helpful. So for you guys as well, I would say that you keep on studying. Don't just drop your studies. For 6 to 7 days, you can enjoy your time. You have done the hard work, you have got the internship offer. But after that, again get back to the track. Okay? Understandable? So yeah, that's it. So both of the situations we have talked, that whether you got an internship offer or you did not get the internship offer. But this video you would be watching once your internship season is over. Okay? Yeah. Thank you very much. Happy learning.